Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am mohammedadnant. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the difference between SUM and SUMX DAX function in Microsoft Power BI. So let's get started. SUM, it just adds all the numbers in a column. As simple as that. The syntax is SUM table name with the column name. Example like SUM, one bracket, orders and sales. This gives the sum of sales value in the orders table. SUMX. Return the sum of an expression evaluated for each row in a table. In short, this is the advanced version of SUM, whereas we can able to use the filters and expressions whatever we need to get the sum of value of a particular column in a table. The syntax is SUMX, a table name and expression name. The example I have given below is sum open bracket all orders. Here I am not I just want to get the total sales value in the orders table, and I don't want any filters to be applied on this sum of value. For this I used all the DAX function which I have explained you in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, please check out the video using the link given on the top of your screen. So the function is sum all orders. That's the filter I have applied to remove all the filters whatever has been applied on that page from the sum of sales. Now let's go into the practical situation where I used in Power BI. Here I have made a table in which there is a region, central, east, south and west, and this is the sum of sales as of now from the beginning to end of the data what is available here. And this is the profit, total profit we have received. And if you see the value when compared to the profit, it is for central it is 7.92, for east it is 13.848, and for south it is 11.93, and for west it is 14.5. This we can achieve by using the formula where the total profit is 286,000. In central the sale is 501,000, the profit is 39,000, so overall it is almost 8% of profit. And when compared to all other regions, the overall profit is 14% for central, whereas for east it is 32%, and south 16%, and west 38%. In general, to achieve the sum, I use the regular sum function, which is the DAX function looks like only sum of orders and sales. I return all the sales value from the table orders. Okay. Now, if you are seeing this one total profit, all the values are same in each row. To achieve this, I use the SUMX function with additional filtration. To go to this one, the DAX function, I use the SUMX function here instead of regular sum. Here I use an expression all tables. That is, I don't want to keep the filters for this formula, so I have written all the rows from the orders table and a sum of the profit. This is the reason it is showing the same value in each and every column. You might have think what is the use of this function, right? I will tell you. I have achieved the performance, that is the 14% for central and 32% for east and 16% for south and west for 38%. To achieve this, I need to have the total profit to do the calculation. For the performance, we go to the DAX function. What I have written is divide. I use the profit measure, which is this one, and total profit, this one. Without the help of the measure, I can't do that. So I use these two measures and apply the formula. So I will put this one, this output. So basically, the sum returns only the sum of values inclusive of all the filters. Now let's apply one filter here. I just want to see only the center region. So I have seen this one value, the 22,917 to 86. I'm just clicking on use. So the value is changed here and also here change, but it doesn't change here. I know I have used other filtration option here, but the SUMX only has an option to use the expression. Some function doesn't have this option. Just the difference between these two functions. Hope I have explained the difference between the sum and SUMX in a short video. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up button and share with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries, comments, feedback, please comment below. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Make sure you turn on the notification on your device. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.